Hello everyone, welcome. This is Daria from Kaya Academy. Welcome to my channel and welcome to my video. So, as you can see from the title, our topic is how to make your YouTube video private. So, it is on your hands to make your video private or unlisted or public. You can choose who to watch when you upload a video, and it is actually really easy. So today you're gonna learn about it. But before learning about it, let's talk about it, right? So why would you actually want to make your video private? There could be hundreds of reasons why you want to do it. For example, I don't know if you have watched my how to delete a video from your channel video on YouTube. Uh, there I was deleting my friend's video, right? So maybe you uploaded something like that and you actually, you know, don't want that thing to stay there for a long time, or because the reason is either your best friend is gonna leave you and you will be down there crying without your best friend because she left, or you will just make it private so before she knows, you will just be inviting people and will be laughing at her video. So there are options like that, and I will show you how to do it today. This is one of the funny reasons that it could be why you want to make it private, or maybe let's assume that it is a video that's maybe a long video that you might not be able to share with everyone, but you need to, for example, share it with your colleagues because it is something about your job or it has that kind of relation, right? It has that kind of I really forgot what to say. So let's say the video was so long, right? You could put it in Google Drive, but you really out of your place. Like there's 15 gigabyte is full and full at the top, and you cannot send as a mail because they go as a drive. Uh, since it's in there is some quota a limit when it comes to sending a mail, and it shouldn't be more than, for example, 25 megabytes, as I know. So you cannot send it. So what you do, because you think it is easier, you're uploading your video to YouTube and you're putting it in private, and you're just inviting those people, for example, your boss, some of your colleagues, to watch that video, and after they watch, you can easily delete your video, or it can just stay as private because the people that you invite, they actually cannot invite other people. Those are the only people who can see that video. Or this is a professional way. Maybe you're a content creator, and you have decided to upload a video, and somehow something's happened, and right now you actually don't want to delete the video because you have spent so much time on creating it, or you have your things, but when it comes to the comments section, things got out of hand a little bit, and you be like, I don't want to delete this. Right now, I feel like people cannot see what I see, but when time passes by, they will understand what I mean, and you will just make it public by that time, maybe in 5 years, whatever your plan is, it is all in your hands. So these are, or you might not have a reason. You just want to make it private because this is your channel. You can do whatever you want to do with your channel and with your video. So, as you all know, YouTube is a great place, great service for sharing your videos with the world. However, it is also a great way of sharing those videos with friends for their eyes only, with your colleagues for their eyes only, or just for your eyes only. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna find out how to make it, so stick with me. As you can see, I have already logged into my account, but if you haven't, you have to, because if you're not gonna sign in, you're not gonna have your videos. You're not gonna be in your own channel. That's why. So as you can see, I signed in, but if you haven't, there will be a blue button here saying sign in. You're gonna click to that. You're gonna put your email address and then your password, and then you will be signed in. Oh, yeah. Sometimes my mouse is doing some things that I don't like. Alright, then what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to the sidebar on our YouTube, which saying like here actually, or there's two places. Your videos, you can go to your videos, or from here you can go to YouTube Studio. But let's go like this. We're gonna go to your videos because this one is actually a bit easier, but I'm gonna show the other one too. We're gonna click here, as you can see, home, trending, subscription, library, history, and the fifth one, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 1. Of course, it can change. Maybe you haven't updated or something like that. So this is how my channel looks like. No subscribers. Yeah, this is my private channel actually. Not private, but just personal. I don't share things like that. The only reason why I've shared this a year ago, this is for a website that I was teaching Turkish and English. This is for that. So I cannot delete this video, but I can make it private. But when I make it private, people on that website will not be able to view it. But it's okay because I'm going to make it. I'm going to show you guys. Then I'm going to make the whole process again. So I make it public. So you will see all of your uploaded videos here, and just above here, you're under your profile picture, which you can change from here. We're gonna, you know what we're gonna do? We're gonna go to our video, and you see when you're like this, yeah, it is me. Let me try to look like that one. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to go down a bit. You see edit video, that's where we're gonna click. Of course you're gonna choose which video of yours that you would like to make it private. And welcome to the YouTube Studio. Yes, we're in details in our video since we said edit. The way I'm laughing. So what we're gonna use here is we're actually gonna use this part. You can see, right, visibility. So from here, what we're gonna choose is we're gonna click on this. Actually, even if you click here or click here, it doesn't make a difference. It's a very user-friendly platform. So from here, I'm going to click private, and now I'm gonna say done. And if you go back to this page now, everything you've done was for nothing. Because if you do not save the changes, then actually you haven't done at all. You haven't done anything at all. You guys cannot see, like, I don't know if you guys actually can see. Let me make it a bit like this. Yeah, so sorry guys. You're gonna click here and here, okay? Sometimes it happens. Okay, then I think you guys understood what I meant. Done, right? Let me make myself a bit bigger now. So now what I'm gonna do is to save everything that I've done. I'm gonna click save, and changes saved. But this is how you do it. But when you change your mind, what you're gonna do, you're gonna come back here just the way I did. You're gonna click here, and just like I have changed my ID right now, I'm gonna make it public. Gonna click done, and after that I'm gonna click save, and changes saved again. So this is actually where you make everything from, like, about your visibility, and most of the editing about your video you will be doing it from here. So let's get out of here now. Okay, So this was pretty much it. If you guys have any questions about it, you can ask me in the comments. I will try to answer all of your questions one by one. Maybe you have some suggestions for me. You can also let me know in the comments. So when I'm down there trying to answer your questions, I can also read your suggestions, and I'm like, okay, this feedback is the feedback that I was looking for. I need to make this content. For if you have those kind of suggestions, let me know. I'm also open to criticism. You can put it down there. So if you like this video and you found it helpful, and I have explained what I mean by saying helpful many times, like many times, but maybe there's some people that have never been to my channel before, so I'm explaining for them one more time. Actually, I'm gonna explain it in every video. So, what I mean by helpful, if you didn't know how to make your video private before this video, before you coming here, but now you're living with knowledge, you're full of knowledge, you're like enlightened, you know how to do it now, that means I've helped you out with this video. So go hit that like button, and if you haven't, but I know you did, but if you still haven't subscribed to my channel yet, go hit that button too, because I'm pretty sure you guys want to see me in my next video, because I would love to see you guys in my next video. See you guys in the next videos.